Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching me. If you would like to see this video in full and unedited, the live version of this is on my second channel, which I will leave linked somewhere. It's in the description box always. I'm working on Sarah today and I'm using these tips. This is Amber by GLAM and GLITS, and you can get that from Nail Tech Network, and you can also get 6% off if you use my code Idlegirl. It's all in the description down below, so you can go and head on check that out. This is the Mia Secret Fruity collection. This is the shade Black. You can get this from my website. I will try and leave some links. There's so many links going on here, guys. This is a glitter from Beauty Big Bang, which I just think is awesome. I love their glitters. They're very pretty, and yeah, I went for a black and gold theme here. I'm using my Mia Secret clear acrylic powder and my Mia Secret monomer, and this brush, which is obviously my favourite brush at the moment. So for this thing here, I'm going in with Hazel. Did I call it Amber before? I keep calling it Amber. It's called Hazel, as you will have seen in the beginning, but yes, I'm going in with Hazel and I'm gonna do a full nail out of this. This is a wet system. GLAM and GLITS is quite a wet system, so you do want to work quite wet. I did go in a little bit thick here, which you could probably tell, but yes, I did add a little bit more monomer, and you want to work wet with this stuff. So I'm doing a similar thing here with this second nail, and I'm just going in. As you can see, I've taken it a lot wetter this time. Basically, we're just painting with these acrylics. I think that is why I love them so much. They're very similar to the Mia Secret ones, and I enjoy painting with acrylic, so yeah. I'm doing the same thing here, but we will be adding some glitter to this nail in a little bit. But as you can see there, I just painted it on and it went on so nicely. Love it. This one here, okay you guys, so this one is a marble nail, and it looks fine, but these, I didn't do a good job at marbling these. I'm just gonna be real with you guys. I don't know whether it was just the colours together didn't go that well, or I just didn't. I think in the beginning I wasn't wet enough. As we get further down the nail, I get a little bit wetter, and you can see it does marble better, but it does look fine in the end. I put some glitter on it and it's quite pretty. I think this was actually my favourite nail in the end. But yes, I'm gonna marble this nail and I'll just let you watch me do that. And the final nail is going to have black at the nail bed and golds at the tip. I think this is a gold. In my opinion, this is a gold colour. So it's going to have black at the tip and then the hazel towards, no wait, black at the nail bed and hazel towards the tip. And then we're going to go over the hazel with some gold glitter. Oh yes! do feel like these two actually ombre together like quite nicely. To say that is like a black, I don't know, I just, yeah, I thought that actually looked kind of alright, was it? Anyways, with this nail, I'm literally just covering in the gold glitter. Now, like, you could get this glitter more opaque, but I wanted you to be able to see the hazel underneath. Otherwise, like, what was the point in doing the hazel? So I have left, I've done it fairly sparsely, but quite opaque, if that makes any sense. You guys can see what I'm doing anyways. But yes, this is going to be a full glitter nail. Then going in and covering this gold also with the gold glitter and just fading that up the black nail. This is basically a glitter fade. I'm then just going to take a small amount of glitter and go over this marble nail with it. It just adds a little bit more something to it, and I think it ends up looking really nice, this nail. So yep, love me a little bit of extra glitter. I then come in and cap all the nails, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch me do this. I've sped it up so it's like pretty fast, but so I'm also able to keep it all in for you guys without completely boring you to death, hopefully. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch me cap. So as a little bit of a change, I've decided to keep the filing in now. I've sped it up really fast because I just think it is a little bit boring and I didn't want you to get bored. So I decided to keep the filing in because I have figured out a way. I feel like I've got a slightly better angle with the camera now. So even when I'm filing, I can keep it in. So I'm going in with the nail drill here and just going at the cuticle. I wanted to play about and try some things out. So I'm trying it out here like this with this drill bit. Trying to, you know, get some of the bulk off of the nail. People are always saying to me, always when I'm doing my lives, you should use a nail drill, it's much faster. But I'm like, but it doesn't work. I always use my nail drill to remove acrylic. But when it comes to filing the, I'm doing something wrong. I need to do a course on this, but I haven't found a drill bit or a technique where I feel like it works, just because it just makes it messy, like it just makes it lumpy. I can't get a smooth finish or like a nice shape. I can remove acrylic, but I can't get a nice shape with the drill, if that makes any sense. If anyone has any tips, please let me know down below. But yes, I've decided to keep all the filing in, so I'm just going to let you guys watch. I've sped it up, there's not a lot, don't you worry. Then just buffing over the nail, and I really like to give it a really good buff now and try and get as much of the scratches out as possible, because I was noticing that you could kind of see some scratches still. Black is a really tricky one. Like, you have to rub as much of the scratches off or you can see it in the black acrylic. So after that, I then took some acetone and I just wiped over the nails, got rid of any dust and smoothed it out just a little bit just before we go in and top coat. I'm using my Colour Couture top coat as usual. And yes, I'm going to top coat, I'm then going to cure, and I'm going to wipe over with gel residue wipe off solution, and then they'll be finished. Let's just watch the glory of the top coat. And that is the finished result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think they look pretty darn cute. Don't forget to head over to Nail Tech Network if you want to get 6% off some of the Glam and Glitz. Everything is listed down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed, because I'd love you to join my YouTube family. And I will see you guys in the next video. I love you so much. Bye!